Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial about the use of the German question wohin in asking and telling about where you are going to? Do comment in the comment section. In this tutorial, I am covering a new grammar which is the adverbs in the German language. But don't be worried, I will only introduce to you the first category of adverbs in the German language, which are the adverbs of time in this tutorial. So moving on. Now, if you remember in my tutorial 22 on hobbies, I introduced the first adverb in the German language, which is gern. But as I told you in that tutorial, gern is used only to show that you like to do some activity. The adverbs of time will usually answer the question when, which in German is wann, and it will also answer another question which I will show you later on. So the adverbs of time that you can see here are the adverbs that are actually showing a particular point in time. So first of all, note that because these adverbs show the time, therefore they are called temporal adverbs in English and temporal Adverbien in German. Das Adverb, one adverb. Die Adverbien, more adverbs. Vorgestern, the day before yesterday. So yes, in German language, there is one word which is an adverb that means the day before yesterday. And it is vorgestern. Then yesterday is gestern. Note that a way to remember that vorgestern is the day before yesterday is to remember that the three-letter word vor means before. So before yesterday is the day before yesterday. So this is how one can remember the adverb vorgestern. Gestern is yesterday. Früher is earlier. Now in my previous tutorials, I have shown you früh up till the alphabet H. And I mentioned that früh means early. Früher is earlier, and this is used as an adverb. Note that these adverbs I have shown in red color because they will require the past tense. when they're used in the German sentences or questions. So you don't need to be worried about using these three adverbs in the German sentences or questions as yet, because these will be used when you cover with me the past tense in the later tutorials. Then we have heute, which is today, sofort or gleich. Both adverbs mean immediately. Jetzt. Jetzt means now. Then we have bald. Note that this word looks like the English word bald, but has nothing to do with the English word. Bald means soon. Then we have später, which is later. Here again the word spät up till the alphabet T I have used in my previous tutorials and mentioned in different contexts. So I have mentioned that spät means late, but you have seen this word in the question wie spät ist es, when we are asking for the time. But später is an adverb. Morgen is tomorrow. Übermorgen is the day after tomorrow. So interestingly, there is one word for the day before yesterday, which is vorgestern, and one word in German for the day after tomorrow, which is übermorgen. Now, the word über, which is the four-letter word in this adverb, actually means above or over. So you can remember übermorgen as the day after tomorrow or above tomorrow, so to say. Although über can have other meanings as well, which you will cover later on in my tutorials. So über is a word that exists separately on its own too. Please note that the morgen adverb, which means tomorrow, can sometimes be confused with morgen, written with a capital M always, whether it's at the beginning of the sentence or question or it is inside a sentence or question. So this morgen is the adverb, which means tomorrow. But the morgen that comes with a capital M always means morning. Now you may wonder how to say in German tomorrow morning. So that would mean saying morgen morgen? No. Tomorrow morning will be simply morgen früh. And früh, as I mentioned sometime earlier means early. So the way to say tomorrow morning is simply by saying morgen früh. So that was all for today. Do stay updated for part 2 of this tutorial, in which I will show you how some of these adverbs can be used and how they are positioned in the German sentences and questions. Thank you.